Hello, my Sundaram Ramakrishna. This is the next level. So before physical things basically are created, they might have created something physical which can be consumed by the human body basically. So few people say that basically computers group basically, sorry, not computer basically, public basically, what they eat basically. So they say that they basically have habit of this that. So whole world basically whatever things basically having consuming basically they add their data basically into that basically, and like this basically they, but everything is tested, then only basically they launch in front of the public basically. Like this public basically take that data and tested. Before that basically they test by their group basically. So here one person do that. After this basically the sea water basically which is giving the power supply to the entire world computers basically, that is 1,000 crore computer, they gets new data basically, that is 1,501 data basically. And like this basically that sea area basically which is getting, which is giving power supply, so that mostly basically their public also might be moving basically, ships might be moving, public might be moving, lots of things basically might be happening there basically, or might not be, it might be restricted area also basically. Because you can't or might be possible that it might not be restricted, so we can't 100% say basically. So like this basically Amazon is the source basically which is created basically long before basically in 2000 only basically. And like this basically Amazon groups tested that 1501 data basically, because Amazon group is created basically. Now basically they checks that new API basically. So in this basically they told that yes basically they are checking it. So assume that basically in this world basically, in this world computer group basically created around 1 lakh types of objects basically. In this text box is one object, text box equal to 1,000 cities, combo box is one object, custom objects basically are there, custom object equal to 100 cities. So next video see.